Are you ready to take your DJ setup to the next level? Whether you're spinning tracks at a wedding, a club, or a private party, the right lighting can transform your performance into an unforgettable experience. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the best DJ lights for your needs? Should you go for versatility, portability, or sheer power? And which ones are worth your hard-earned money? Stick around because today we're counting down the 7 best DJ lights that will elevate your gigs from good to extraordinary. Let's dive in. 7. U-King Stage Light Bar. The U-King Stage Light Bar is a budget-friendly lighting solution that offers versatility and ease of use, making it a popular choice for beginners or those looking to enhance small to medium-sized venues. With 36 high-power LEDs, this light bar provides a vibrant RGB wash effect that can create dynamic atmospheres for parties, weddings, or small performances. It supports 4 operational modes: DMX 512, sound-activated, master-slave, and auto mode, giving users flexibility in how they control the lighting. The inclusion of a remote control also simplifies operation for those who may not be familiar with DMX programming. One of the standout features of the U-King Stage Light Bar is its ability to produce UV effects in addition to RGB lighting. This makes it ideal for neon-themed events or blacklight parties. The adjustable brackets allow for easy positioning, whether you're using it as an uplight or stage light. The unit also boasts a long lifespan of up to 100,000 hours and energy-efficient performance, which is a significant advantage for frequent use. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. The build quality is somewhat basic, with a lightweight aluminum and PVC construction that may not withstand heavy-duty use or frequent transport. Additionally, while the brightness is sufficient for smaller spaces, it may fall short in larger venues or outdoor settings where more powerful lights are required. Some users have also reported inconsistencies in color mixing and occasional responsiveness issues with the sound-activated mode. Despite these limitations, the U-King Stage Light Bar is a solid entry-level option that delivers decent performance at an affordable price point. It's best suited for casual users or smaller-scale events where durability and extreme brightness are not critical. Number 6. Chauvet DJ Intimidator Spot 110. The Chauvet DJ Intimidator Spot 110 is a compact moving headlight designed for mobile DJs and small to medium-sized venues. This lightweight fixture features a 10-watt cool white LED with a beam angle of 13 degrees, providing focused and bright illumination that's perfect for spotlighting performers or creating dynamic patterns on dance floors. Its separate color and gobo wheels offer creative flexibility, with 7 colors, plus white, and 7 gobos, plus open, to choose from, allowing users to craft visually engaging light shows. One of the key strengths of the Intimidator Spot 110 is its versatility. It supports sound-activated programs that sync lighting effects to music beats, as well as built-in automated programs for quick setups. The Master-Slave mode enables synchronized shows across multiple units without requiring complex programming. Additionally, its wide pan, 540-degree, and tilt 180 degrees ranges ensure excellent coverage across any venue. While the Intimidator Spot 110 has plenty to offer, it does have some limitations compared to higher-end models. The 10-watt LED output may not be sufficient for larger venues or events requiring intense brightness. Its lightweight design, just 5 pounds, makes it highly portable but may compromise durability over time with frequent transport and use. Furthermore, advanced users might find the 6 or 12 DMX channel options somewhat limiting when compared to more sophisticated moving heads. Overall, the Chauvet DJ Intimidator Spot 110 is an excellent choice for mobile DJs or smaller events where portability and ease of use are priorities. While it lacks some of the power and features of more expensive models, it delivers reliable performance and impressive effects at an accessible price point. Number 5. Laserworld EL-230RGB MK2. The Laserworld EL-230RGB MK2 is an entry-level RGB laser system that packs impressive features into a compact design. With a total output power of up to 230 milliwatts and 3 laser sources, red 100 milliwatts, green 20 milliwatts, and blue 50 milliwatts, this unit produces vibrant colors and sharp beams that can cut through fog and ambient light with ease. It offers 7 colors, including white, thanks to precise color mixing capabilities. This laser projector is particularly well suited for creating stunning aerial effects, such as tunnels, layers, fences, and waves, perfect for bars, small clubs, private parties, or mobile DJ setups. The Laserworld EL-230RGB MK2 supports multiple operational modes: standalone mode for simple plug-and-play use, sound-to-light mode that reacts to music beats via an adjustable microphone sensitivity setting, and DMX control for more intricate programming options. One of its standout features is its high-speed stepper motors that enable smooth transitions between patterns at speeds of up to 5 kpp, kilopoints per second. The scanning angle of up to 30 degrees ensures good coverage in smaller venues. Safety features like an interlock connector and key switch add peace of mind during operation. While the Laserworld EL-230RGB MK2 excels in creating visually captivating effects, it does have some constraints. Its power output might not be sufficient for larger venues or outdoor events where higher wattage lasers are required. Additionally, while it offers around 50 preset patterns, advanced users might find the customization options limited compared to higher-end laser systems. In conclusion, the Laserworld EL-230RGB MK2 is an excellent choice for first-time users or mobile DJs seeking an affordable yet capable laser system. Its vibrant colors and versatile operational modes make it a valuable addition to any lighting setup aimed at smaller-scale events or intimate venues. 4. ADJ H2O LED IR. The ADJ H2O LED IR is a unique lighting fixture that brings the mesmerizing effect of flowing water to your stage or venue. This 12-watt LED light is designed to project dynamic, multicolored, water-like visuals onto walls, ceilings, and floors, making it ideal for creating ambient or mood lighting. With its energy-efficient design, the H2O LED IR consumes only 23.8 watts of power and generates almost no heat, allowing it to run continuously all night without requiring a duty cycle. This makes it a reliable choice for long events or installations. One of the standout features of the H2O LED IR is its versatility. It comes with 2 interchangeable lenses, 34 degrees and 43 degrees beam angles, enabling users to customize the coverage based on their specific needs. Whether you're illuminating a small, intimate space or adding texture to a larger area, this light adapts seamlessly. The fixture also includes a 5-segment dichroic color wheel that offers vibrant options like orange, green, blue, yellow, purple, and white, along with split colors for added creativity. Users can choose between seamless scrolling colors or single-color operation to match the mood of their event. The H2O LED IR is particularly well-suited for venues like nightclubs, restaurants, theaters, and themed events. Its ability to create stunning water effects without the need for fog adds a unique visual dimension that enhances any setting. The manual focusing lens allows for precise adjustments, ensuring that the projected patterns are sharp and clear. Additionally, its lightweight design, 3.5 kilograms, and compact dimensions make it easy to transport and install. However, while the H2O LED IR excels in creating atmospheric effects, it lacks the dynamism of moving heads or lasers that are better suited for high-energy performances. Its primary role is as an accent or mood light rather than a centerpiece for dance floors. Furthermore, while it is compatible with the ADJ UC IR wireless controller, sold separately, its control options are limited compared to more advanced fixtures. 3. FODEXAZY 150-watt moving headlight. The FODEXAZY 150-watt moving headlight is a powerful and versatile fixture designed for DJs and event professionals who require high-impact lighting effects. Equipped with a 150-watt high-output LED source, this moving head delivers intense beams of light that can cut through fog and ambient lighting with ease. Its RGBW, red, green, blue, white, color mixing capabilities allow for vibrant and dynamic displays suitable for weddings, concerts, clubs, and live performances. This fixture boasts an impressive range of features that elevate its performance. It includes both rotating and static gobo wheels with customizable patterns and shapes that add depth and creativity to your lighting design. The 3-facet prism enhances this further by splitting beams into multiple directions for stunning visual effects. With a beam angle of 15 degrees, The FODEXAZY moving headlight provides focused illumination that's perfect for spotlighting performers or creating dramatic aerial effects. Control options are another strong point of this light. It supports DMX512 with 14 to 16 channels for precise programming, as well as sound-activated and auto modes for simpler setups. The pan, 540 degrees, and tilt, 270 degrees, ranges ensure comprehensive coverage across any venue size, while allowing users to create dynamic movement patterns. Durability is also a highlight of this fixture. It features an efficient cooling system with low-noise fans that protect the unit from overheating during extended use. The robust build quality ensures longevity even under frequent transport and rough handling. However, its weight, 10.5 kilograms, might be a consideration for mobile DJs who prioritize portability over power. Additionally, while its advanced features make it suitable for professionals, beginners may find the DMX programming options overwhelming without prior experience. 2. Dreamland Moving Head DJ Lights. The Dreamland Moving Head DJ lights are an outstanding option for DJs seeking high-performance fixtures at an affordable price point. These lights feature premium RGBW LEDs that deliver vibrant colors and sharp beams capable of transforming any venue into an electrifying space. With 12 high-brightness lamp beads and infinite rotation capabilities, 360 degrees, these lights provide wide coverage and dynamic movement that captivates audiences. One of the standout features of these lights is their versatility in control modes. They support DMX512 programming, as well as sound-activated modes that sync effortlessly with music beats, perfect for high-energy parties or concerts. The built-in strobe function adds an extra layer of excitement by producing rapid flashes that enhance dramatic moments during performances. The Dreamland Moving Head DJ lights also excel in durability and energy efficiency. Their robust construction ensures they can withstand frequent use while maintaining consistent performance over time. Additionally, their low power consumption makes them environmentally friendly without compromising brightness or quality. While these lights offer exceptional value for their price range, they do have some limitations compared to higher-end models. For instance, their gobo options are more basic than those found in premium fixtures like the Chauvet Intimidator series or FODEXAZY lights. Additionally, while they perform well in small to medium-sized venues, they may not provide sufficient intensity for very large spaces or outdoor events. In conclusion, Dreamland Moving Head DJ lights strike an excellent balance between affordability and functionality. They're ideal for DJs who want professional-grade results without breaking the bank. 1. Chauvet DJ GigBAR 2. The Chauvet DJ GigBAR 2 takes the crown as one of the most versatile all-in-one lighting systems available today. This pack-and-go solution combines 4 different effects: LED derbies, pars, wash lights, strobes, and lasers, all mounted on one bar for ultimate convenience. With added UV capabilities in its wash lights and strobes, the GigBAR 2 offers enhanced color mixing that elevates any performance. What sets this system apart is its ease of use, combined with professional-grade results. It includes a wireless foot switch and IRC6 remote control for effortless operation during gigs, while also supporting full DMX control for advanced programming options. The built-in automated programs sync all 4 effects seamlessly into cohesive light shows tailored to your music. The GigBAR 2's portability is another major advantage. It comes with a tripod stand and carry bags that make setup quick and hassle-free, even under time constraints. Each individual head is adjustable to ensure optimal coverage across any room or stage size. While slightly more expensive than single-purpose units on this list, its versatility justifies the investment by eliminating the need for multiple fixtures or complicated setups. In summary, if you're looking for maximum impact with minimal effort, the Chauvet DJ GigBAR 2 delivers every time. That's all for today, folks.